Hello. I'm going to show you how to create a Google OAuth API for your n8n workflow. So let's get started. So first, let's create a new project. You can create it by clicking this, then new project, then fill up this form. So project name as what you want. So in my case, on I will name it like this one. Then organization, leave it blank. So let's create. And after that, we'll be creating our new project. So select that project. So you can also select here. So this one, yeah, this one. So you can also select here. So select project. After selecting the project, we need to enable the Google Sheet and Google Calendar API. To do that, go to library, um, search for uh, Google Calendar, then click this one. Then you need to enable it. On my side, I already enabled it. So enable it on your side. Then after you enable the Google Calendar, you also need to enable the Google Sheet API. So go to library again, API services, then library. Then search for Google Sheet. Then you can click this one, then enable it. In my case, I already enabled, so you need to enable on your side. Then go back again. Then let's create the Oath API. So go to API services, credentials, then create credentials. Then this one, Oath client ID. Let's create this one. Then configure consent screen. Get started. Then just fill up this form. So what's the app information? So for me, just unit and workflow. Then use this one for the external. Next, John email. Then you need to upgrade for it. Okay, after you created the information, create the out client. Then let's select the application type. File application, then the name of it, select your workflow. What do what name you want. So then the authorization JavaScript origin, I'll leave it blank. But this one, authorize redirect URIs, this is important. So where you need where you need to get this one. So you get this one if you're uh an using an workflow n8n, you can go to the your n8n workflow. So hold on, let's n8n workflow. Go here, then find the go to your n8n workflow, then find the uh, Google Docs. And if you're already here, just click this one, the pen icon. Then this one, you need to copy this link URL. So this copy this, then go back to your Google Cloud, then add URI. Click this paste this callback, then create. Then after you created, this is important information. So you Google Client, Google Calendar, and Google Sheet will going to we will going to use this API to access the app from Google. So copy this one. Just click this, copy, and copy this, and also this one. So save it so that you can remember. Then you already copy it, and okay, it's already done. So you have already a old client ID. So if you're in a workflow, you can paste this one. So client ID, then client secret. So this one, client ID. And this one. Then you need to sign up, sign into Google. So that's it. Thank you.